Question number 2. I'm given two different sets of data. This is ungrouped. You do not have any frequency. So what is the formula? Mean is sigma xi divided by n. And the variance is you will have fi here. Correct? Now in the frequency you are only left with the number of terms. You do not have the capital N. You have the small n. So 1 divided by n square, n times sigma fi xi square minus x sigma xi the whole square. Okay. So I need to find out my xi square and yi square. I need to substitute in the formula. So ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் different கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு இந்த இடத்துல instead of xi you have to replace it with yi to find it for yi. So I need to find the mean and the variance for xi, find the mean and the variance for the yi. Two different data. I need to compare which has more variability. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான். So what is 35 into 35? 35 times 35. 5 5s are 25. 3 அடுத்த number 4. 3 4s are 12. So I'll have 1 2 2 5. 54 into 54. There's no shortcut. So பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும். 4 4s are 16, 1 5 4s are 20, 21, 5 4s are 20, 2 5 4s are 25, 26, 27, 2 9 1 6. 2 9 1 6. 52 into 52. 52 into 52. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 4s are 25, 26, 2 7 0 4. 2 7 0 4. 53 into 53. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 1 5 4s are 25, 26, 2 8 0 9. 2 8 0 9. 56 into 56. 56 into 56. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 are 30. 33. 6 5 are 30. 3 5 are 25. 26 27 28. So 3 1 3 6. போட்டுட்டே இருந்தாதான் இந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்பீடா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் போட முடியும். ஓகே, 8 8s are 64, 6 8 5s are 40, 46, 8 5s are 44, 4 4s are 25, 29. So I have 3 3 6 4. 52 into 52, 2 7 0 4. 50 into 50, 2 5 0 0. 51 into 51. ஒரு ரிப்பீட் பண்ணி வேல்யூ கொடுக்க கூடாதா? 51, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 2 6 0 1. ஃபாஸ்டா போடலாம், பட் ஹேஸ்டியா போடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, you don't make mistakes in the calculation. 49 into 49. 9 9s are 81, 8 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 8 is 44, 9 4s are 36, 3 4s are 16, 17 18 19. So 1 10 1 10 14 1 2 2 4 0 1. So these are my xi square. இப்போ yi square க்கு இன்னும் ஜாலியா இருக்க போகுது. 108 times 108. 8 8s are 64. 6 6 8 1s are 8. 0 0 0 2 dash 8 0 1. So 4 6 16 1 1 1 1 1 6 6 4. 107 times 107. 7 7s are 49. 4 7s are 7. 0 0 0 2 dash 7 0 1. So 9 4 14 1 1. So 1 1 4 4 9. 105 105. That's easy. 5 5s are 25. 10 10 அடுத்த number 11. So it will be 1 1 0. So I'll have 1 1 0 2 5. 1 1 0 2 5. Repeat ஆகுது. நல்ல வேலை. 106 106 106. 6 6 are 36. 3 3 6 1s are 6. 0 0 0 2 dash 1 0 6 6 3 12 1 1 1 1 2 3 6. மார்க்கரே காலி ஆயிடுச்சு. Now 107 into 107 நல்ல வேலை repeat ஆகுது. 1 1 4 4 9. Then 104 இல்லையா? 104 times 104. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 1s are 4. 0 0 0 2 dash 1 0 4 6 1 8 0 1 1 0 8 1 6. 103 103. 3 3s are 9 0 3 0 0 0 1 0 3. So 9 0 6 0 1 1 0 6 0 9. 104 இப்பதான் பண்ணோம். 1 0 8 1 6. 101 times 101 101 0 0 0 2 dash 101. So 1 0 2 0 1. Okay, so now let's add all this. So I need sigma xi, I need sigma xi square, I need sigma xi the whole square. அதே மாதிரி yi க்கும் வேணும். So I need the sum of all this. So இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் sum, இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் sum, sum and sum. Okay, super. 5 plus 4 9, 10 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 6 20, 28, 30, 40. 4 carry over. 4 5 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17. Oh, 5 இருக்கா? So 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40. 40 plus 7 47 plus 4 51. So 5, 1, 10. Sorry, 5, 10. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 34, 38, 39, 40. 4 carry over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16. 1 carry over. 1, 3, 12, 19, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 38, 43. 43 plus 6, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 5 carry over. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26. 2, 6, 3, 6, 0. 8 plus 7, 15, 20, 25, 31, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 45, 45 plus 5, 50. 5 carry over. எங்கேயுமே எதுவுமே இல்லை. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 0, 5, 0. Now let's add this. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 10, 23. 23 plus 6 is 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 6, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 53 plus 6 is 59, 60. 6 carry over. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 27, 28, 29. 2 carry over. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 6 is 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. 42. 4 carry over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 1, 0, 2, 9, 0. Now let's substitute in the formula. First xi. So what is my x bar? X bar mean வந்து summation of xi, which is 510, divided by the number of terms, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 இருக்கு. So my mean is 51. Mean of x bar is 51. Y bar என்னது? It is 1050 divided by 10, which is 105. So I have found out the mean 1 and the mean 2. இப்போ variance 1. So variance of the standard deviation of this will be 1 divided by n, which will be 1 divided by 10. I am finding the square root. So it will be 1 divided by n, the square root of this. So it will be square root of 10 into sigma xi square, which will be 26360 minus sigma xi the whole square, which will be 510 the whole square. Super. இப்போ இது பண்ணலாமா? So I'll have 1 divided by 10 square root of 26360 இன்னொரு 0 minus 51 into 51. இங்க எங்கயா பண்ணோமா? 51 into 51, 2601. Super. 2601, ரெண்டு 0. So 2601, 2 zeros. So when I subtract this, 263600, 260100. So it's 00533500. Nice. So I have 1 divided by 10 square root of 3500. So 100 வெளியில எடுத்தா I'll have 10 divided by 10 square root of 35. So what is square root of 35? 35 பண்ணா 0, 0, 6, 6 are 36. 5, 5s are 25. 10, 1000, 5 2s are 10. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 100 பண்ண முடியாது. 9. 9 9s are 81. 8, 8, 9 1s are 9. So it will be 5.9. So 5.9 is root 35. This is my first standard deviation. Now standard deviation of y, which will be 1 divided by 10. The n value is the same, times 10 divided by sigma xi square mari inga yi square. So this will be 110290 minus 1050 the whole square. 105 whole square enna? It is 11025. So this will be 1 by 10 square root of 110290. Don't miss the 0. Minus 105 it will be 1102500. Okay, so when I subtract this, what will I have? 11029 inga 25, so it will be 400. So it will be 1 divided by 10 square root of 400, which is 20. Appada, thank you for the small number. So this will be 2. So I found out the variance and I found out the standard deviation and the mean. Now I need to compare the values. So suppose CV1 and what is the coefficient of variation? Where will I write? Okay, I'll erase this. I'll write it here. So CVX will be sigma divided by mean. So it will be 5.9 divided by 51 times 100 and CVY will be 2 divided by 105 into 100. So what will be my values? I need to compare them. 11.58 and 1.904. So I have CVX is greater than CVY. So X shows greater variability. Okay, this is how you have to write your answer. Please do the calculation. You can do 59 into 100, which will be 590 divided by 51, which is 11.58. And this will be 200 divided by 105, which is 1.904.